Guys, I've been working so long for this opportunity. So I have one big jar of Play-Doh.
You failed and you didn't eat it.
Yes, I did. So guys, I have a pink Play-Doh can. So you're gonna pop the lid off. This is the Crush Play-Doh challenge. And if I fail, I gotta eat a nasty Cheeto. Well, it's not really nasty, but it makes my head hurt sometimes. And I'm gonna use a key and this, put the Play-Doh can over there and crush it up. Keep on, finish your cool. Turn the key. I can only turn it 5 times. Now I have a big jug of Play-Doh. Some I won't have to, some won't even kind of work because it's kind of already cut. It's kind of already crushed up, so I'll try to do about a lot of them. So let's see. I'll pop this on. Have a key and let's turn it, guys. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I pressed 5. Well, it ain't crushed up anyway. I failed. So my brother wanna do one. So he says no. So it'll just. Oh wait, guys, I ain't sitting up for nothing.
What?
I won. See, look, it's a piece right there. It crushed up at 5 probably. Let me show you. Let me show you guys. Oh. It's right. Well, you won't be able to see. Oh, wait. What is it, guys? Okay, you won't be able to see it, but it is crushed up. So, I will put that back in there. And I will get another white. So, I will pop this on here. It crushed up at 5. So, let's see, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes! I won, guys! See, look.
It's not raining even harder.
Oh! Really poured down outside.
It's pouring down.
It's pouring down.
I mean pouring down.
Let me show you guys. It's pouring down outside.